putting on somebody else's helmet for no reason. Why you gotta do the man that way and put your sweat on there for?
You're gonna run your fastest time today.
You made now. You made it to the event. We're here. Meeting with Just Six. Nick is here, and we'll get with John Doc here in a minute. But just hanging out with the people right now, seeing what they're up to. Oh, yeah, making a video on. Like, is he gonna run that thing? No. In the dirt? That's the plan? Or?
Well, good luck, I guess. I don't know.
This is gonna be interesting for sure. For sure. There's a running bet. You eat it or not.
Really?
We're putting down money.
Really? Who's putting down money? I want to meet him. You are?
Yep, there's.
We realize it's been a long ride from Indiana.
This man right here.
Oh, I get the 7-3.
You can't see nothing.
Oh no, you can't see anything.
You see the first 2 feet and then it's just cloud. Oh my god. Ow! Ow!
Y'all running away. I'm sitting like too happy. I got my helmet on and everything.
No, my AC's broken. It's so hot out here. I'm in jeans. I'm about to just go swap into shorts. I was gonna try to man up, but it's just not working out for me. It's not working out. I'm not a man. I'm not a man.
Not in this heat.
So we still got like another 3 hours before racing even starts. I'm already fucking tired.
You ever see what a real car sounds like?
Yeah, I'm right. I'm kind of scared I'm gonna lose my lemonade. I'm gonna get scared in this drop. Hang on to it real tight here. That thing sounds like it's ready to rotate some earth.
You know what? I told you. Anyone that's friends with you, back tire.
They're still coming. Are you ready to run this? Are we gonna run that thing over there?
I'll put them on something today, but they just know they got something coming.
I told him he said hear what a real car sounds like.
This is your average 28-inch tire car. Small tire, 275. Very, very controversial 14-inch rim. Listen, I don't know what people are saying, but if you can read the tire size from behind the car, you know you're going to lose.
Yeah, there's trouble there.
That's how it is. Are you going to drive Brown Sugar today?
You gonna let me drive it? You gonna throw me the keys?
Oh,
I'll drive it.
The keys say you can't lift. Listen, it's got me once. I thought it was pulling like this stupid wheelie, and I was like, what's going on?
I'm the 2-wheel king. You know that. You know that. 3-wheel ain't nothing. I'll handle that like nothing. Put it.
How's this sound? You want to wheel this?
I'm not wheeling anything.
That's why you're up here. That's why you're in North Carolina. We're gonna infuse some good old grudge racing.
Get some nastiness.
I don't think we lost much water in this 10 miles to drive here. Wow. I don't think we lost much water.
I have to shake your hand for a brilliant,
Who's getting in?
Brilliant freaking idea right now.
Dude, you gotta do something
You basically
different.
have a line of people wanting to get in right now.
Jump in. Get in. James, get in there.
Listen up, drivers.
There you go. There's the first one.
I got YouTube. You got a YouTube? Yeah, Moneyman 4 Mil. There it is. Check it out, guys.
So the daily driver class, you can get by.
How is it?
Go under. Hey,
go under. Steve.
Our 6-shift cars.
There you go.
This is good.
We need you to have a help on our no time
Let's
testing
see some backstrokes. Backstrokes.
Now in
He
our
forgot
diesel
his
truck
wallet.
there,
His wallet's
there's a
so
big stop sign daily driver.
Oh, your wallet. That is awesome. Definitely check him out after this. He jumped in. You gotta give him a follow. Subscribe.
650s, you're gonna want to make sure
I didn't bring
you
a
have
truck,
a
so I had to
Hummer.
bring something
So
else.
if you need a Hummer, we have some for loan or
Why are these cars so loud?
Because they're noxious.
Golly. They're just too loud.
Quiet cars
Too
are
loud for my taste. That wasn't too bad of a launch. That actually launched really well. Now John Duck, I think, is coming up. Is he coming up? With the old brown sugar and D-body shuffle. Fine piece of machinery right here.
Right, look at this right here. You know what this is? This is old Lakewood 7030 right there.
Oh,
Like 84 technology. Oh, you want some sugar too? Everyone wants some sugar. I tell you
everybody
what,
loves the sugar.
Tell you what.
This is John Dock on the wheel and Alabama on spinning up the lane. Round 2, round 3. Look at that. I bet another lap here.
Wait, what are you doing at 8?
I don't know.
You're not telling time?
I don't think I have to.
I thought you had. I can't remember.
Let it look. Come on. I hit it with 4,500.
Well, if we have 11 seconds,
I
Mr.
think
Fawcett will be
for
right
no
back.
prep, the tire that you're
It
on,
was like 11
I think it's
something,
put it out pretty good.
And no anti-roll bar.
Yeah, I heard that was no boost either.
Yeah, right. Good call, man.
Okay.
That's good.
Yeah.
But it's like I kept turning the wheel more and more left, and it kept going right, and it's like I could hear it's like. I'm like, what is going on?
It was like one wheel, it was like they were so light.
Oh, I know.
Because the left wheel was like, probably not even touching the ground. It was just like,
Yellow Camaro
Did it have any
rolling.
gangster lean though?
yeah.
Alright, as long as it
The
has
Fawcett
gangster lean,
went
I'm good.
13-18.
It
Let's
could
see
go
what
with
the
damn 12 in
repeatability
the 8,
is.
but if it's leaning
13:30
good,
to hold it.
I'm okay. You know, like we're just out here
The
for
lanes
love.
remain open here today.
This thing, I'm pretty sure this thing will gain the lean right here.
You haven't stopped
How's the
by.
burnout?
It's the late
Green
You like the
zero.
burnout? It's the only car I grab the
I
trans
will
brake to
give
do
you
the
a signed
burnout.
personal
I grab it up there and get up there, and I'm like, as soon as I let go, I just slap it on high gear.
It sounds like it's going to leave so hard.
Right
It's like,
here, go out straight from the Atlantic
There's
coast.
no,
Great
it has
seat,
no
we
ass.
have it
No,
all, whether
no
it's
ass.
scallops, finish,
7
straight
pounds
or
is
forward.
like a spit in the face.
You really should get yourself.
But hey, burnout wise, all you Texas boys, notice I stayed off the limiter. Stayed off the limiter.
Damn, calling out my people.
And
Calling
I
out
was
my
off the.
people.
I was a burnout off the trans brake and still stayed off the limiter.
Are we gonna have to have a burnout 101 right now for the
Woo.
Texas people?
Woo, yeah, stay off the limiter. That's the only rule. Other than that, you do whatever the hell you want.
Look who I ran into, Mr. Andy himself, DFR.
Oh my God! Oh my God!
What's up, buddy?
It'll be random.
Are you gonna hang wheels on this thing today or what?
Only if you're driving.
Oh man, I am the two-wheel king. I'll tell you that.
I'm saying. Only if you're driving, buddy.
Two-wheel.
That's the only way to do it, man.
But we got DFR is badass formula. It's a formula, right?
Yeah, it's a
Or
formula.
Ghost. That's what it's called, right?
It just has a WS6 front bumper, hood, and back bumper on it.
Everything down as we have a
408 in it?
No, it's a 376.
376? Okay.
Yeah, built
Music back down.
670 from Going Engines, Huron Speed Turbo Kit.
With a small little sail on it.
Small 80 millimeter. I mean, when you measure out 80 millimeters, there's some things on my body that are a little bit bigger than that. You know what I mean? But
I don't know, man. No, but it should be a good turnout today, and it's gonna be a lot of fun. So I'll be watching.
all right, cool, boss. Awesome.
I gotta catch a video of this thing running for you. F-body.
Shout out to Black Phil Bill. He is our lead Hemi tech. And that is the Black Phil. As you can see on his shirt. Give him a follow on Instagram.
We'll put it right here somewhere.
Facebook.
New homie to LS Nasty. And he's doing all of our Hemi research. So I go from like 44 to like 4,000.
So what's he working on this thing for?
It kind of like hit the tires a little bit on the no prep surface. We're gonna send Nate in it. Nate's the winner of the LS Nasty Experience.
There you go.
And we're just gonna ship him down track.
Absolutely.
This is like the most ridiculous car, because you gotta do the burnout off the trans brake and...
Have you driven a car like this before?
This?
Yeah.
Have you ever driven a
Anything
turbo
close to
car?
this?
Turbo car? Yeah.
It's kind of upsetting to drive as a turbo car, because it's only making 7 pounds. It's like a little tease. But, still a turbo car. There's just so much filming going on.
Just look at a camera and start talking.
I don't even know. What the deck lid say? I wasn't paying attention. No, it was too far away. It was too far away. My eyes can't zoom in that far.
We'll catch it on the GoPro though.
Oh, God.
I wasn't trying to race him.
Look at this.
I wasn't trying to race him.
He's more of a front wheel drive kind of guy.
I feel biased by that radio. I was trying not to break an axle with the radio. Armageddon Z01. He's got his twin turbo Z01. So he's actually racing CSP over there. They're in his black Camaro, so that should be pretty interesting. I'm not sure of the setup on the Z01. I think it's got some mods. I think it's got the stock blower. I don't think it's like a twin turbo setup or anything like that. It for today. I'm going to wrap it up here because I'm going to try to take some pictures. But that's it. LS Nasty Experience. Got John Doc over there. Just wrap it up. So yeah, wrap it up today. Stay tuned for part 2.